In a dramatic shift, it signals the changing tides of the automotive world. Honda has officially closed the chapter on the legendary NSX, its flagship hybrid supercar, and is now pivoting to something entirely unexpected: an electric quadricycle designed for last-mile urban deliveries. Say hello to the Honda eQuad, the first product from Honda's newly launched micromobility company, Fastport. Set to debut at Eurobike later this month, the eQuad is a bold answer to a modern problem: how to efficiently, cleanly, and quickly deliver packages in crowded urban centers. It's a world apart from the sleek and aggressive Acura NSX that once rolled out of Honda's Performance Manufacturing Center in Ohio, the very same facility that will now build this futuristic little delivery pod. So, what exactly is the eQuad? At first glance, it looks like a box on wheels, but under its unassuming exterior lies some cleverly engineered tech aimed at improving last-mile logistics. Built for bike lanes and dense traffic environments, the eQuad is designed to zip through city streets without adding to gridlock or pollution. There will be two sizes of the eQuad, small and large, to meet a variety of delivery needs. The small model measures 133.9 inches long and 39.4 inches wide, while the large version stretches to 144 inches in length and 48 inches in width. Both stand over 82 inches tall. These compact dimensions make them ideal for urban areas where space is limited and maneuverability is key. Cargo capacity is impressive for a vehicle this size. Depending on the configuration, users will have access to between 96 and 148 cubic feet of cargo space. That's 2,718 to 4,191 liters for metric users, and payload capacities range from 320 pounds to 650 pounds. Whether it's grocery delivery, parcel drop-offs, or small package logistics, the eQuad aims to be versatile enough to handle it all. Inside, the driver sits on a central bike-style seat, gripping two handlebars similar to what you'd find on an e-bike. A digital display provides all the necessary driving info, and the enclosed cabin features lights, mirrors, a UV-coated canopy, and a built-in fan for ventilation. It's minimalist but functional. The eQuad is powered by a pedal-by-wire pedal-assist powertrain, giving it an edge in energy efficiency while still offering a familiar biking experience. It has a modest top speed of 12 miles per hour and a range of up to 23 miles on the small version, though that will vary depending on payload weight. Key technical features include swappable batteries, regenerative braking, and automatic parking brakes, making maintenance and operation easy for delivery fleets. One of the most symbolic aspects of this new product is where it's being built: Honda's Performance Manufacturing Center in Ohio, once responsible for crafting the high-performance NSX supercar. It's a stark illustration of how dramatically the industry is evolving. Honda isn't just pivoting to EVs, it's pivoting to electric micromobility. Deliveries of the eQuad are expected to begin in Europe and North America in late 2025, with production ramping up in 2026. Whether you're a logistics provider looking to modernize your fleet or a sustainability advocate curious about clean urban transport, the eQuad is designed with the future in mind. It might not have the throaty roar of the NSX or its aggressive curves, but in many ways, the eQuad represents something equally radical: a reinvention of purpose tailored for a world that demands efficiency, sustainability, and innovation in every mile.